Hello, CNG 124. Welcome to week number 7. If you logged in this morning, you saw the initial video from last year. Yeah. This week, let's see. No new reading. We'll concentrate on some assignments, and this will be. We'll come across this a little bit more frequently towards the end of the semester, where the weeks will not be. There will be no new reading, but we'll be polishing skills that we're working on. So consider it like a lab week, where the labs are going to be more in depth, take you a little bit longer to complete, and just a little level of difficulty kind of added in. This week we do Wireshark. Wireshark and ARP. Be on a local area network where there is little traffic, and I think this semester we'll probably have the easiest way to complete this, since campuses are kind of closed and no one will be doing this on campus. Um, Usually on campus, students run into an issue because there's hundreds of computers accessing the internet instead of just a couple. So when you do this at home, do it at a time. If you have a house full of people, do it at a time where less people are home. Subnetting 3, just like the other subnetting labs, um, just like subnetting 2, I should say. We're still working with Class C. I'm still going to ask you with the network and broadcast address, and that's really it. We have, I believe, 2 more subnetting to go, where I change it up and challenge your skills. With Lab 10, you use Packet Tracer and this file right here. You're going to walk through a lab that I designed. That's a hub, and you're going to see how the traffic in a hub works. Um, I might be off a version or two from the original lab, so if you have any real problems, please reach out. Excuse me. Please reach out in a Google Hangouts and um, see if I can help you, um, or another student can get to you. It's really just like the color, and then I think they moved just some features that we're not using around. And then once you get done with that, you just turn that lab in, and I grade it. I think there's no quizzes for this week. Okay, so this week should be a lab week. Be prepared for that. Once again, if you have any issues, reach out. I'm moved into my new place, but there's still boxes everywhere. Whole family has boxes everywhere, so trying to unload that's going to be a priority. Grading, I hope to get to grading midweek, but realistically, it'll probably be like the weekend. So if you have any questions, make sure to reach out, and make sure you're using Google Hangouts. Talk to you again. Bye.